Say what you wanna say to me now.
Yes, ça qu'a fait comment nous y ça réglé ça tombé. So yeah. Maintenant encore bienvenue sur chaîne Mwen. Si nous pouvons pas abonner, nous pas c'est Shoudeline. Et puis chaîne si nous abonner là-dedans, nous pas regret. OK. So aujourd'hui on va faire l'autre vidéo pour nous. Cette vidéo aujourd'hui on font petit manger pour marim, c'est poisson avec banane avec du riz, OK? But m'a tout profiter faire ça parce que m'boile dire nous connaissons les pas tellement parler en créole, OK? So m'boile dire que m'gon ce poisson collé dans gorge. Pour moi ça l'a fait, OK? So red branché n'a pas à l'heure. Ok guys, ça c'est poisson, hein? Nous commençons à manger depuis tout à l'heure. On va cracher nous dire nos poissons bon. Ça c'est poisson pour marim. Mais poisson frit, ça c'est pas maintenant poisson bouilli avec banane, sauce là en bas, mais sauce là, on va manger pas de tomate, so nous ouais sauce là, c'est jaune blanche. Et puis ça c'est du riz avec zaboka. Ok, marim mais zaboka, moi je pas manger du riz parce que je pas tellement aimer du riz parce que ça moi plus aimer comment on dit ça, vive bagay ça yo. Et puis ça c'est du riz à zaboka pour marim, ça c'est manger yo. Et puis ça c'est extra banane. So m'go champagne là bon prendre pour nous. Mais nous va boire ça. Notez ouais ça dans bagay là, so nous va finir ça soya. OK, so get branché na ouais.
So, Papi Sky.
I'm still hungry.
You wanna say hi, honey?
Hi guys, how you doing?
That's it? Okay, so we are ready to eat. It's gonna pray, okay? Yeah, so you wanna pray?
Come on, Sky. Ven para aquí. You want to pray?
You wanna pray, Sky?
Say Jesus. Come on, pray. Jesus.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Scared for what? Man?
Okay, come eat with us.
You want to pray? Say Jesus.
I think how we care over there.
Hey, we take a chair for you, Sky. Don't worry.
She can be in the middle right here. You can sit with me here.
Let's take a chair.
Okay. Yes. I think my mommy.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna start eating, okay? But we have to make some conversation, right? So nous allons commencer à manger, okay? Oh my God. You want some of mine?
No, it's fine.
You sure?
Sky, no.
So on fait poisson petit monde, les fraîches. Habitude Christian qui prend poisson, les pêcher et puis manger poisson, but les pas apporter poisson longtemps, right? You don't burn fish for it doesn't burn. You don't burn fish for a long time now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
We bite the fish.
C'est bon. So, m'saisonner poisson et puis les fils. Non, j'en parle parce que on dira ce frit poisson est vraiment sec ou quand même manger soyo, so elle est frit poisson, but moi saisonnel.
Hey, mommy, we are families.
Yeah, we are family. You are my daughter.
Yeah, our sister, brother's sister.
This fish has a lot of bone. Why don't the poissons are gonna peel so down? Do you like the rice?
Yeah, it's good.
Poppy, what's that?
Which one? Avocado. Try it, you're gonna like it.
Of course, yeah, another apple.
Here. Here. Yummy, right?
Yeah, yummy.
Spicy. You want some rice, guy?
No thanks.
Why you don't give me a banana then?
You want it?
The banana over there.
So, n'a changé manger première parce que le non manger pas maintenant. Just change it.
No, you just want the banana. You want to try the...
Yeah, change it and then Eat whatever you want and give me the rice. Le plus mes poissons pas maintenant.
What is your rice?
I didn't want rice.
See? Just like that. Try it.
No, Sky, I don't like that.
It's good.
Hey, baby.
Mommy, look good. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
look good.
It's really spicy, no?
Yeah. You don't want it?
Yeah. It's really spicy.
Mommy, how you gonna see? Mommy, we have a space up there. But I can't stand up.
You want to try the fried fish, Sky? Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I'm gonna try it.
Stack now, okay?
Mommy.
Look at my phone and watch Tom and Jerry, man.
Okay. I want to watch Tom and Jerry show.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to see them anywhere like this. Like this baby cat. He's coughing. He like me.
You're talking for real?
But that's some.
You want water here?
What's happening, Mommy?
Fish, bro.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I have born. Give me some water, please.
Water? Okay, Mommy. Mommy, Mommy, what's happening?
I don't know.
Mommy.
You okay now?
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
That's right here.
Damn, bro, you can eat fish.
You still
I think I'm gonna pass out.
Why you
How
feel?
can you help?
What do you want?
I don't know.
Mommy. Mommy,
I'm
look at
choking.
it. Look at
How are you talking?
Mommy.
Maybe
Mommy.
milk, no.
Huh?
Maybe some milk.
Over there.
Where, Sky?
Over there.
Where? I don't see any.
I was trying to break it. I was trying to break it. I can do breaks. Sit down, come in. Christian took it much. Christian took it much, yeah. Oh, I'm just happy to say Frank warning.
No, I'm choking.
Who took it much, yeah?
Mommy.
Why are you choking?
How is it coming, Jerry?
Who took it much, yeah? You don't wanna eat anymore?
Yeah, I will.
All the way to name the manger, ebe manger, bo. Yeah, so did I get you or no?
I don't remember.
Did I prank you?
A little bit. I thought it would have a bone, but
You think I was faking a little bit, or you think I was faking?
after all, I thought it was faking.
That's why you wasn't care. So li pat care. Li take it up and say ma age what ma fait.
I didn't know if it was true or no.
You didn't know or you think?
Maybe I said maybe you're playing now.
Ok, so pou klo mal pase tibon. So ma kite video la. Ma pti nou pase bonne nuit. Passez bonne nuit et puis pas oublier abonner sur la chaîne là, partager, commenter, like et
so
share.
cool.
Si nous aimez chaîne là, tout pas oublier abonner, OK? Partager la famille nous, amis nous. Et puis pas oublier cliquer sur la notification bell là pour chaque fois que je poste une vidéo pour nous cap premier monde qui regarde. Bye.
Where are my paint, Mommy? Where are my paint?